Hi dance lovers! Today video will be dedicated for installation of the kids model for girls or ladies under 155 centimeters. As you see, I have a beautiful partner today to assist me, Sonia. So we will start now to talk about that model called MDA Prince. So this is a way how it's packed when you got it from the shop, by an online or from our distributors. So you open it, and what we see inside, this is a stick, foldable stick, so it's convenient for transportation. You could easily put it in your travel bag, into your rucksack when you're flying by plane or traveling by car, or just going from your house to the studio. So first you will take that fixing belt off, and this is, as you see, it's a foldable. So later I will tell you how to do it correctly. The second part is a belt. A belt which is connecting that gadget to your body. And the third item inside that bag is instruction with a QR code which you could scan with your smartphone and directly to be linked to our website, when you can see again this particular video, and this is the name of the model, Prince, and later on that website you could find a printed installation in 4 languages: Russian, German, English and Chinese, which will help you to install it correctly if you forget something or not understand something. So now we move the bag to the side, Sonia, okay? And we start with that stick. So it has left side and right side. The left side where the logo is, and it's more heavier and bigger. And the holes of the spring buttons is on that left side. The right side is lighter, it will be then connected to the right hand. This spring button, important because the girls, the dancers could be a different height, could be shorter, could be a little bit taller, 155 centimeters, that's what I'm, as an architect of this gadget, marked at the middle. Then higher, better to use model called King, lower the model called Prince. So you can push this button and pull, and as you see, it's getting longer. Or again, you're going back and choosing the position which is fit to you. This is the numbers here to remember your personal installation if you're using it in the studio, sharing with another dancers. But my recommendations, strong recommendations, to have it as a personal portable dance partner for yourself. From GDNic and many other aspects, it will be better. So don't forget to fix that nut. It's in an off position. It will be important later in the next videos. I will tell you why, but at the moment just fix it tightly. So you see these rubber rings. Now we will connect the belt to, and they will be important. So now Sonia will start to help me a little bit. First, what we will do, we take the belt face that way to read my dance assistant from left to right. So we put it that way. Now this left side, I'm turning opposite. So this reverse part of the belt is now forward and front. And the other side is opposite. Main part is up. So it's like 90 degrees. That way and that way. This is how we put it in front. So now Sonia will help me to put that one here, and I'm using here. So we put it around the handles on the left and right side. Very good. And between the rubber rings. Super. And then we're using this moving hook buckle to tight, to fix that position. Very good, Sonia, yeah. So now this belt is fixed on the left and right, and it's ready to be used. So now Sonia will start in front of me, left arm, and around the head. So this is important, how to place that gadget on your body. So the belt should go on the right up shoulder and under the left arm. That's important for ladies. Again, as you see, the logo is on your left side. So the handles, right and left. The left handle is placed from up to down and face down, same as in the position of man when lady having it here. And the right is turning forward that way. Again, exactly in a position of connecting arms on that side. Next, to use it, important, to pull a little bit forward, to pull, to feel that belts strongly pulled. It will create connection, physical connection of this stick to your body. It's really, let's say, imitate the real interaction with your partner and close this circle of energy circulating now as one unit. Second, important when you use it, to send the gadget from left to right, like pull it a little bit that way. As you see now, her head naturally moving left. This is actually the reason why head is there, not just to turn it left, but because gadget is moving to the right, same is a natural position with your real partner, and head, that's why, is keeping left. So this is correct position. As you see, the elbows must stay parallel to the floor on the same level. Right arm a bit higher, normally at the level of the eyes of lady, and left is where it's placed to the arm of a partner. So important to keep this inclination, and this is already done by the placing the belt from the top here and under there. It's already naturally inclined. Very good, Sonia. And now, if you share, just put it down, if you share this gadget occasionally with another dancers, then again it could be like that. But if it's your personal, and many other dancers in your studio or in a dance school also have the same gadget, you could take these stickers, alphabet stickers, to take the name and, for example, stick them here. There will be Sonia or Diana or Maria or for any other models. So then you will know this is stick exactly for you. With the back you could take a pen or Flowmaster and just write your name or surname here. So this is actually, again, was installation video, how to install and to use the gadget of personal portable partner, my dance assistant model called Prince. It's written over here, Prince. Why Prince? Because it's a partner Prince for lady, for girl. The model for man, for me, for example, will be called Queen, or for boy will be called Princess. This is a pad here. It should be placed on the shoulder when a belt is connected to your neck, just to protect it. So glad you helped me so much. Enjoy my dance assistant, which is simple and effective.